Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use masks in Affinity Studio. I'll show you two ways to go about this. One is where you mask an object within an image, and the other one is where you mask the entire image. So to mask an object within an image, you just come here, click on Pixel Studio, and then on the left hand panel I want you to click on the selection brush tool, and then I want you to just go ahead and select the object. For our case, we are selecting this lightning bolt. And then we'll come here, we'll click on mask layer. Now that has been masked. So if I come here and use the paintbrush tool, as you can see, whatever I draw inside this will actually stay here. And if I toggle this visibility off, as you can see, the rest has not been affected. And then we'll go ahead and undo all of this, and we'll go ahead and do the same thing to the entire image. So to do that, you just select the image, come here, click on mask layer, and after that we have a mask created. So if I use the brush tool now, as you can see, I can easily toggle it off and it disappears. That is how to use masks in Affinity Studio.